Chic and functional, feminine home decor ideas for women's stylish apartments. Creating a cozy and stylish apartment in 2025 is an exciting journey of blending chic aesthetics with functional design. This year, the focus is on crafting spaces that are both visually stunning and incredibly practical. Whether you're designing a serene personal retreat or an inviting social hub, one of the key strategies is to incorporate focal decor elements such as statement mirrors, artistic wall panels, and elegant pendant lighting. These features can instantly upgrade your home and set the stage for a sophisticated yet welcoming atmosphere. By opting for soft color palettes and integrating plush textures alongside space-saving furniture, each corner of your apartment can be transformed into a harmonious oasis of beauty and comfort that authentically reflects your personality. Modern feminine apartments of 2025 celebrate a beautiful blend of timeless elegance with the latest contemporary trends. These living spaces often include cozy reading nooks for relaxed introspection, accompanied by stylish multifunctional furniture that accommodates both leisure and productivity. The use of open shelving and sleek built-ins, along with innovative hidden storage solutions, allows you to maximize small spaces without losing any charm or style. Moreover, incorporating natural elements like indoor plants and sustainable wood accents introduces warmth and tranquility, turning your apartment into a peaceful sanctuary where you can unwind. Smart home technology is seamlessly integrated into these modern spaces, enhancing daily routines with effortless connectivity and convenience. Whether your decorating style leans towards minimalist simplicity or incorporates luxurious opulence, the trends of 2025 encourage a strong sense of self-expression through carefully curated decor and thoughtful layouts. Engage your senses by experimenting with textured fabrics, decorative bases, and sophisticated lighting solutions to craft a space that feels distinctly yours. Investing in statement furniture pieces, such as a plush velvet sofa or a uniquely sculptural coffee table, adds a personal dimension to your home that speaks volumes. By achieving the right balance between standout decor, cozy accents, and functional arrangements, your apartment will not only serve as a stylish abode, but will also capture the essence of warmth and welcome that defines your lifestyle. This thoughtful approach ensures that your living space becomes a true reflection of who you are: inviting, innovative, and full of heart.